Now, again, we have something similar. The same way that wall tool and draw tool were kind of close, openings and shapes are also close too. Now, they're both shapes that we drop onto our canvas, but the difference is openings, as we saw in the last video or last section, openings interacts with the wall tool, whereas shapes is a lot like the draw tool, where it's its own independent thing that you add onto your drawing. So let's check out some examples of that. So first I'm gonna hop back into my wall tool and just let's draw one room in here, and let's say this is our living room. Again, I'm gonna show you one more example of openings. So single door, remember that? We can add that as the door to this room. And again, that engages with our wall tool, not the draw tool. And if we go into shapes, let's add a sofa to this room. Hide our keyboard. Just make it a little bigger. And you know, I'm probably not going to be sitting staring at a wall, so let's add a TV. Guess we'll spin that around, make it look a little more realistic. Another thing hidden in the shapes here are stairs. So I will grab a staircase here. Let's just make that a little smaller. We'll rotate it and put that in the back, and let's say that's the stairwell back there. So now we're going to talk a little bit about how you can do some advanced shapes. Now, what you can do is use the draw tool to create any shape you want. So also, of course, we have some extra shapes that you can download at any time. But if you don't see one that we've already made for you, let's do our own. So let's say for whatever reason you need a fire symbol. Let's go ahead and make it red, a little bit thicker here, and let's make that a solid line. So let's go ahead and draw some fire. We'll try to anyways. I think that's close enough. So let's say this is a shape we want. So we're gonna go to select, and we're gonna select this, and it's as easy as one button. You see right here, create shape, and we'll go ahead and say, this is called fire. And we'll create this shape. And now when we go into our shapes, we can go to my shapes, and look, we have fire there for us. So I can bring this in whenever I need fire. Of course, this is a pretty goofy example, but I'm sure you can see the type of shapes that you would like to make and how easy it is to add them into your library.